Here's our USB stick, and we're going to import samples to the SPD from it. So welcome to Drum Electric. If you haven't checked out our last video, please check it out. It's how to import samples via a computer. The SPD is great in the way that you can do multiple things in multiple different ways. So if you don't have a USB-B cable, for example, to connect the SPD straight to a computer, you can import samples via a memory stick. Or if you've been given a memory stick of a bunch of samples from a band or an MD that you need to import to the SPD, it's super easy. So we're going to be using this little guy. This is our USB stick, and this has got a sample on it that we're going to import into our SPD. So this is super simple. All you do is get your USB stick, import your sample onto it, and then you just plug it into the back of the SPD, hit a few buttons, and you're done. It's easy as that. So once your sample is loaded onto your USB stick, then plug it into the memory slot of the SPD. So from here, all you've got to do is we're going to go to Menu, down to Utility, Wave Import, and then this will come up. So in my case, I've only got one sample on my memory stick. If you've got multiple, then you'll get a big list right here. Okay, so we're going to select that by hitting the plus button, then enter. Now you're going to get this little pop-up. All you're going to do is choose which kit you're going to have. For my case, it's kit 38 because that's the next blank one on my SPD. Then we're going to choose the pad. I'm going to choose pad 5. And then once that's done, we just hit enter. And that's it. The sample is now on that pad. We're just going to hit the kit button and we're good to go. And it is as easy as that. Don't forget to like and please comment down below if you have any questions or you found other ways of importing to the SPD. Hit that subscribe button for all of our shiny new videos and I will see you in the next one.